Who are you?
I'm Ian Ganavati.
My name is Michaela. Isabella North.
Andrew Lutt.
Abby Howard.
I'm a senior biological systems engineering major.
Biological systems engineering. Biological systems engineering major.
I'm an agricultural engineer.
In my third year at UNL, my emphasis is in biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering.
Senior in BSc.
Why did you choose to major in BSc?
I knew I wanted to learn more about math and science because I like those subjects.
All the way through school, I really enjoyed my math and science courses.
And in high school, I really liked math, science, and physics.
I had heard about engineering a lot from my dad. This is perfect for me. I can combine that math, that science, put it all together into a career.
I really like the farming aspect of things, and I also like to learn how things work.
Here at UNL, we have an emphasis area within BSc called biomedical engineering.
BSc seemed like the perfect marriage of, classical engineering, mechanical, electrical, and then problems related to the human body.
I was just so interested in the human body and how it worked, and I could still maintain my involvement with biology and chemistry within engineering.
I knew I wanted to do engineering, but I guess I also wanted to stay with that agricultural environment.
And then I wanted to do something with it. Engineering to me was all about building something, designing something.
It's science and math, which I love, but it's also being creative, solving problems, helping people.
What makes BSc unique?
It has more of an emphasis on biology. The emphasis areas in BSc make it unique. It's so diverse.
I would have to say that the interdisciplinary part of it makes it the most unique.
There's biomedical engineering, there's soil and water resource engineering, so kind of environmental engineering, and then food and process engineering.
Help me to, keep my options open.
I love that I have been able to go on field trips with environmental people for my environmental class, and one of my other classes we were testing the springiness and chewiness of different cheeses.
All those things from climate problems to health problems, I think are really problems of the future, and it's cool to be involved in a major that's focused on that.
You can find your niche within biological systems engineering.
The agricultural community and the biological systems department in general, they really care about their students. The class sizes are small, so the professors really can take care of their students. I really like that they like to take care of their students.
What has been your favorite college class?
My C programming class that I took freshman year.
Human physiology and a French phonetics course, which I took last semester.
This class called Fluid and Power Circuits.
Computer Science 411 data modeling and analysis course.
You spend time, learning how to code, and then you build things that work. So some sort of program that does some sort of function.
How the body works and how all of the systems have to come together, all of the bits and pieces, the moving parts have to work together to make the human body function. Yes, it's good to understand all of the mathematical and scientific processes, but it's not going to help you a whole lot if you can't express it and explain it.
After you have the data, there's so much left to discover and so many different things you can do.
Fluid mechanics class. I love that class because I think it helped me understand the world around me better, and still to this day when I see water flowing in a river or I'm outside on a windy day, I think about fluids and how they operate.
What has been your favorite college experience or club?
It's got to be engineering ambassadors right here on the shirt.
Ultimate Frisbee. Ultimate Frisbee here at UNL. I play on the club team. We're called the Cuddle Raptors.
Quarter Scale Tractor Club. This is where they design a 1/4 size tractor and compete against other colleges across the United States.
Doing research as a part of a lab with Dr. Nicole Iverson.
Engineering ambassadors combines the hard skills of an engineer with the soft skills of a teacher and presenter, and you get to go and talk to kids and teach them about engineering. That's awesome.
Develop all of those soft skills that I need to make me a better engineer. The Cuddle Raptors is the best team I've ever been on. And teamwork is really important in engineering. You're always working with other people, you have your specialty, but to work on a project you need to have a lot of different specialties all coming together. Communication, with teaching and how to explain concepts to new people.
You start from scratch, all you get is an engine, a base engine, and you have to design it all by yourself and fabricate the whole thing.
I have just learned so many new skill sets and been challenged to sort of take ownership and learn about research, which has really prepared me for grad school.
What makes engineering at UNL special?
I chose Lincoln because it was closer to home than most other places.
The engineering department at UNL is very good, highly rated throughout the nation. Engineering at UNL puts a lot of emphasis not just on those core scientific courses, but also on soft skills. So we have something called the Complete Engineer. There's 6 engineering competencies, really helpful in exploring the different ways that engineering interacts with people, because engineering is all about helping people.
It's just a really awesome department, specifically VSE.
How much the faculty care about the students and how much they want them to learn and go and do great things.
And it feels really good to know that they also genuinely care about me and my success.
They're the biggest resource that Nebraska has.
Everyone is super kind, super friendly. It's small enough that you get individual attention, but it's still a big school that has all the resources you need and great, awesome, impactful research going on.
Hi, I'm Sophie, and I am a sophomore biological systems engineering student here at UNL. My emphasis area is biomedical engineering, and I'm from Fargo, North Dakota. Why did you choose to major in biological systems engineering? I've kind of always wanted to do something in the medical field, but realized I couldn't really handle all of the blood, so having kind of a more behind-the-scenes look into the medical field through biological systems engineering was something that was really appealing to me, so that's where I am now. What makes BSE unique? There's 3 disciplines underneath it. Definitely gives you a more well-rounded education. What has been your favorite college class? Well, I've always kind of been a very chemistry-minded person. I actually might get a minor in chemistry, so even just that beginning intro-level chemistry was kind of one of my favorite classes. What has been your favorite college experience or club? I'm in a Women in Engineering cohort here at UNL. I advocate for the women in engineering and women in STEM in general, being able to promote that and also teach the younger kids that women can be engineers too and we need them in the field. What makes engineering at UNL special? And I definitely like that there's a lot of resources that engineering students in particular only get to use, like there's free tutoring and printing centers and things like that on campus. We'll call that good. All right.